how to fix Discord no root or RTC connecting error. Hey guys, if you're having that issue, you may follow up these methods in order to fix it. First of all, you can just head over to your Discord app and open it up. And once you open it up, you may just log in into the particular application. Let me just go ahead and open it up again. And once you open it up, you should be finding this interface. Now what you can do is you can locate up your user settings, usually located here. You can click on it, and once you open up your user settings, you can scroll down from here and look for option of voice and video. Click on it, and from here you can just go ahead and reset each of these settings. And once this completes, you can close this up, and once it is completed, you can basically close this up, and here you can just head over to Task Manager, type in Task Manager, open it up, and once your Task Manager opens, you can head over and look it up Discord from here. I click on it and end the task of Discord, and once it is done, you can close this up and refresh your device for once. Now once that is done, you can open up command prompt. You can type in cmd in the search bar, run it as administrator, and once you do so, give access, and here you can type in ipconfig /flush DNS and hit enter, and it will successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. After that is done, you can just go ahead and close this up and again open up a Discord. And then once you are here, you can head over to one of your servers, go over to one of the channels, and you can head over to server settings. Right click on it, and once you are here, you'll be finding server settings. You can head over and basically go ahead and set up the settings. So if there's any kind of restrictions within your server settings, you can just go ahead and cancel it out and fix that issue of your server settings. And once this is done, you can just go ahead and close this up, and you can just head over and open up your control panel. So just go ahead and search for control panel here, open it up, and from here go to view by large icons category, go over to network and internet, head over to your network and sharing center, and open up your network that is connected. For example, this, open it up, right click on it, go over to properties, and once you're on the properties, you can head over, look for internet protocol version 4, go over to properties, and you can set up the DNS address to 8.8.8.8.8.8, and here you can just go ahead and set it up and go over to another network, which is 4.4. So head over and type in here 8.8.4.4. After that, click on OK, and once that is done, you can use this DNS and you can refresh your computer for once, and that should probably fix your Discord error. You can try opening up a Discord once that is done. Before that, you can also try restarting your computer for once, and it should help you fix the issue. So that's it for today's video. You may follow up this methods in order to fix it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.